Hello, I am Manoj. Here first directions are given and then the question that says two different holes, hole A and B are made in the bottom of a full water tank. If the water drains out through the holes, how long is it before the tank is empty? A. If only hole A is made in the bottom, the tank will be empty in 24 minutes. B. If only hole B is made in the bottom, the tank will be empty in 42 minutes. Now here, according to the concept, we need to know the details about both the holes to get the time that is required by the tank to become empty. So according to the directions given here, the answer is option number 3. That says if you can get the answer from A and B together, although neither statement by itself suffices. That is very much true because we need the detail of both the holes, that is hole A and hole B. That means we need both the statements together. That is statement A that says if only hole A is made, it will be empty in 24 minutes, and statement B that says if only hole B is made, it will be empty in 42 minutes. So answer to this question is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Manoj. Here first instructions are given and then the question that says find x plus y. Option number A, x minus y is equal to 6, and option number B, minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 12. Here let us solve the option number B, that is minus 2x plus 2y minus 12. Dividing by minus 2 on the both the sides, I would get x minus y is equal to 6. Now this is similar to the option number A. That means both the options are same. So both the statements together or both the statements alone cannot help us to find the data of x plus y. So here answer is option number 5. That says if you cannot get the answer from statement A and B together but need even more data. So here we need even more data than the provided. So answer to this question is option number 5. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I am Gitika. The question is, first, if you can get the answer from A alone but not from B alone. Second, if you can get answer from B alone but not from A alone. Third, if you can get the answer from A and B together although neither statement by itself suffices. Fourth, if statement A alone suffices and statement B alone suffices. Fifth, if you cannot get the answer from statement A and B together but need even more data. Is the integer n divisible by 9? N is a 2-digit number. A. When n is divided by 3, remainder is 2. B. When n is divided by 7, remainder is 1. Solution. Statement A alone is sufficient. If n is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. Since A implies that n is not divisible by 3, A alone is sufficient. Statement B is not sufficient. 36 divisible by 9 and its remainder is 1 when divided by 7. However, 15 is not divisible by 9 and its remainder is 1 when divided by 7. Therefore, answer is option 1. Thank you.